Gonna have a look in Brett's bag.
Oh, you got something in your bag?
Yeah.
Oh,
I packed a bag for this. Hey, come with me on a journey.
I will.
Hey?
I will. I'm there. What do we got?
Pack your bag. I'm taking you on a guilt trip. No, here we go. A guilt trip. Here we go.
I never feel guilty. Oh.
Oh, whoop. It's a bit sneaky, isn't it? It's a sneaky little look.
You got some sweepy bits.
Oh, I wanted to talk about these. This is refreshment. Do you know what these are?
Rubber tyres.
These are the brand new DX36s.
Oh, them.
And we've been probably talking about these for a week or two now. They're coming to stock.
But
congratulations to our very own Hearns racing driver,
Mr.
John
Hughes.
Puce. John Puce has picked himself up a factory contract.
That's right.
So he's got support and direct links with Yokomo Japan to help us make the BD12 and beyond. Awesome. So our factory team now that's been announced, we've got Anthony Coretti.
Yes.
In doing 1/10 on-road and off-road. We've got Simon Nicholson.
Yes.
Doing 1/10 on-road. We've got John Puce, who's in the 1/10 team manager on-road department.
Yes.
And then we've got Matthew Jenkins. And then we're waiting for that artwork to come out. But Matt Jenkins doing team manager 1/10 off-road, helping out Yokomo Australia-wide with that stuff.
It's good stuff.
So, and helping run the team for us.
Good news.
So that is really cool. So to celebrate Johnny Puce, we have put the tyres on special. We've done a special deal.
Yep.
I don't like talking about prices on the show, but jump online, jump the link, save yourself some coin. The fastest tyres have never been cheaper, and they won't be. They're cheaper than any other tyre out there.
That's right.
They're faster, and you can. And if you buy some of these tyres cheap, you can thank Johnny Puce for it.
That's right.
You know, and that's a special. It's not going to last long either.
Celebration.
You can't just give them away.
That's right.
But it's a celebration. So
it's
congratulations, Johnny Puce, and help us celebrate. Pick yourself up some really fast tyres, really cheap.
Very cool. What else you got in there?
What else have I got in there?
You got more than just those tyres. You got some other.
What
are these things?
P1 Performance.
Oh.
Now, okay, we've had these in. These are for 8 scale.
Oh.
Now, I felt that the 8 scale off-road boys have been a bit left out as far as we've got some big races coming up.
We're doing, indeed. Very soon. Very soon. We've got the big titles coming up. We've got lots of racing around the place coming up interstate. So if you guys want to take the chance to get yourself some top quality pre-mounts at a very, very cheap price, we've put the P1 Performer range on special. Just to help guys out, help you get really good tires, get them on track, get them happening. So P1 Performers are getting on clearance too. So if you race 1/8 buggy, or even if you want to, I suggest you look these up and you hook yourself up with some really good tires, really, really cheap. Pretty good value.
They're really good value, and they're a world-class rubber.
Yeah.
They are absolutely phenomenal. What else have I got in my bag?
I got more.
Yeah.
Really? What do you got? What is that?
Got some mega noodles.
What are mega noodles?
Mega noodles.
What, is that like stuff I have for dinner? What's that? Oh, they're chunky.
These are wires. No, these aren't the ones you think they are.
Oh.
These are just something I wanted to revisit. I don't know if you guys know that we do the JPRC range of wiring accessories, and they do servo extensions. They do Dean style connectors, Traxxas plugs, all that sort of stuff we get through JPRC.
Yep.
They also do really, really high quality silicon wire. And I forgot about it until, so we've actually got blue as well. So we got blue, orange, red, white, and black. So we've got lots of colors of silicon wire. Been a big fad lately to put black on it. I don't know why. But anyway, if you want to get yourself
that's stealthy, so you don't even know what clarity it is.
So you can let the smoke come out of everything. I didn't know.
That's right. At least you can see it.
You can't blame yourself for plugging in the red one to the black one if you can't see it.
That's it.
So, no, in case you guys are looking for really good quality silicon wire, check out the website and check out JPRC quality wiring accessories.
So it's 12 gauge?
12 gauge. I've got 14.
And we got.
And 16, 18.
And Chunka Munka?
Yeah, there's some 8.
There's 8 gauges as well. If you have to.
I do. I absolutely must. I haven't yet, but I must.
Pretty thick, isn't it?
It is. People picked on me when I put 10 gauge on my two-wheel drive buggy. Wait till they see my phase with 8 gauge.
Phase with 8 gauge.
Hey, why not?
Yeah, well, that's it.
Just like that much of it, just the joiner. Just
Could be a talking point.
yeah, I know. I know.